from the director of Love Alarm and star cast from Mother and Whisper and Love Castle. The slot is recently given to Mine, the new Korean drama, which is being replaced on the Vincenzo. So let's review what the story is all about. The story revolves around Chebol family who manages Haven Group, and the story is the majority of the part is directed inside the house. It looks like at the beginning of the drama, it looks like it's similar to plot of like Parasite, because most of the scenes are shot in that house, and they have a very big mansion, and no need to mention that these walls have ears and the maids have phones with them. And there are always people around in this family who are living with the dark secrets, who belong to who and what are the blood relation that they have with each other. You don't know that who is the real and who is not the real part of the family. Some are half and some are full. Those who have full blood of this family, they cannot show their right or monopoly on the things that are happening in this house. There is always someone watching them. Chairman Han had a dark past, and his wife has always losing her sanity because of the situation that she is in. And there comes a new guest in the house. Seo Haiso she's an actress, but she gave up her career, and not only career, but she has given up so many things to get married with one of their family member. She has to live calm and has to bear everything that is happening in the house because she is an outsider, and she has to look after the kid of her husband. And there are many secrets that they don't want to reveal to each other. That's why you could see that they are sitting at the dining table, they are having a dinner, but their hearts are away from each other, and all they are looking is the greed that is not being filled. But in this family, there is someone who is holding all these pieces in order, and that is Jung Seohun. She is the one who is managing everything. And the most important thing in this part is someone who is listening all the whispers in this family. They are the group of maids. So there were almost like six members, and there is an addition of two members, but one member revolt and doesn't want to be included in this one. So there are two new additions in this system. One is a tutor and the another one is a maid, and the maid has another dark secret that has to be revealed in the near future, and it will create chaos in the family once their elder grandson comes. So he has already a fiancée. She will visit him as well. And the another thing that has to be watched is the tutor. She is the one who is like a serpent in the house, sneaking everywhere and thinking for the right time at the right moment. But all these dark secrets are being captured by one person, and that's Mother Emma. If anyone knows that secret, the blessings will be showered upon it, the gifts shall be given to that person, but all these secrets should not be gone outside these four walls. They are managing one bakery business that is going through a tough time, and there are controversies that they have to bear. I hope you will really like that how these women in this house are fighting for their pride, prejudice, and the price someone has to pay, and that price has been washed by Mother Emma. Though she has a faith, and that faith will not let her sleep silently. Once she will open the lips, thus all this dominoes effect will start. So let's hope what happens in the next episodes. That's all I have to say. Thank you so much for bearing me, and have a great week. Bye bye.